Many people are all the time wishing, when will this pass away? Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes it's so important to understand really what is going around. Then there's a certain amount of impatience come. I'm not a scientist, but I'm a student of science. I study. I'm not a cosmologist, but I'm interested in the universe and I study. I'm not an economist, but I'm interested in economy of the countries and the country we live and the world economy. And I study that. I'm not a sociologist, but I understand the fabric of the society. I want to understand, fathom and know it. I'm not a technocrat, but I am a student of technology, understanding what the technology, the way it is evolving. I'm a student in everything that I'm able to understand and learn. And the COVID-19 lockdowns and all kinds of things that came along with it enabled me to learn things much faster than what I thought. By God's grace, I have learned things much faster than what I thought for my age. And I've been able to understand the cyclic nature of the events that are taking place globally in the world. And many people probably wishing I should have been in that country and this country and that part of the world or this part of the world. I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the place where you are is the best place. Everybody is going through this. Everybody is experiencing that. No country is spared. Somebody said Tajikistan, because their patterns of life is different, possibly. But all the countries are impacted and affected in every frontier, the socially, economically, all areas you mentioned. But ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you, the place you are in is the best place. But you need to make sure that you don't do foolish things. One of the key learnings and the things which I now take very strongly upon me, that I do what is possible, what is practical, what is affordable to me. I do not attempt various adventurous things, foolish things. When the government says lockdown, I'm totally obedient. Because I live close to the beach, just 2 minutes across I come, and many people come here. But there is no harm, you are coming to do exercises. And I have the privilege here, I walk for 90 minutes and spend this time even doing breathing exercise for another 30 minutes. That is possible for me. That is also practical for me. That is affordable to me because I live close to the beach. Just about a 2 minutes walk from my house. That's exactly what we need to do. We should not do foolish things, adventurous things, things that is not possible for us, practical for us, and affordable for us. And in that context, I want to really do things which are meaningfully impact people around me. I realize that I cannot do big things in a big way, but I realize I can do a lot of small, micro things in a small, medium, and even big way. At times I knew that I cannot even fly, run, even walk step by step, but I knew that I can move inch by inch in the right direction all the time, ladies and gentlemen. This is not adaptability. This is living up to your potential based on the changing environment, socially, economically, politically, technologically, all the time. These changes are not just for today and that go on tomorrow. These are evolving things. You and I happen to be in this place, in this moment in time, and that moment is a moment of truth. Realize that and take advantage of that. Enjoy. If it is possible for you to do something, do it. If it is practical for you to do something, do it. If it is affordable to you to do something, do it. Don't postpone it. Do it now. Today is the day. Now is the time.